read?
Anyone?
No,
I am.
no.
All yours. All right.
I think I'm good.
Please do remain seated at this time. Once again, double check your seatbelt. Please remain seated. Yes, you sit down. On behalf of Southwest Airlines, especially this flight crew, I'd like to be the very first to welcome you to Cancun. As we taxi, please keep those seatbelts fastened and your luggage secured to the captain parks the aircraft at the gate. Turn off that seatbelt sign above. It's been a pleasure serving each and every one of you. We know you have many choices of air travel. Thank you all once again for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Of course, this is the termination of this flight number. Please check around before you leave us. Use caution. Open those overhead bins. Please check in the overhead bins, under the seats, all around you, especially your seat back pockets. Make sure you're not leaving anything behind, especially those passports and also your earbuds, glasses, etc., wallet. If you leave something behind once you step off the aircraft, you're not allowed back on the aircraft to look for lost items. So double check. Make sure you're not leaving anything before you leave us. You will be going through customs here. Please do not use your cell phones during customs. It is facial recognition. You do not need to have any paperwork. It makes it a lot easier when you get to Cancun, so enjoy that. It's pretty hot here in Cancun, if you wouldn't mind, as we taxi in before you leave us. Open up those air vents above you. Everybody reach up, make sure those air vents are all the way open. And if you're sitting next to a window, if you wouldn't mind closing the window shades, it does help us keep the aircraft cool while it's on the ground. Y'all have a great vacation. If you're driving, buckle up, drive carefully. Please come back and see us again for your return trips and all your other vacations as well. Welcome to Cancun.